Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Nordea app not working step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the app starts working properly. Next, swipe up on the bottom of your screen. Look for the Nordea Mobile Banking app. Swipe it away, closing it completely. Wait for a few while and reopen it again. Temporary glitches can sometimes stop the app from working. Next, restart your phone to refresh the system and clear any background issues affecting the app. Then head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Nordea Mobile Banking, and make sure to update the app to the latest version from the Google Play Store or App Store. Updates often fix bugs, improving the performance. If the problem continues, uninstall the app and reinstall it from the official App Store. This helps remove any corrupted files. If it still does not work, it may be due to temporary server issues, so wait a few minutes and try logging in again. That's how you fix the Nordea app not working. Subscribe for more simple and helpful guides.